Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily Hessler and today I have a card featuring the Castle Seam Builder die set, and I started off by using some cardstock, and this is some smooth cardstock from Canson. It's a Bristol cardstock and it is fantastic for doing smooth blending. I'm no expert at getting my blend perfect, so I have to work many times to get it the way I wanted it to look. I wanted to have a dark center, fade out to light, and then the edges should be a little bit darker. And this will be like, if you look at the sky when it's dark and the moon has like clouds around it, and then it has like a halo, and then it's dark again. I cannot explain it better in English, but I really like how that looks on the night sky, and I wanted to try to make a sky that looks like that. I don't know if I actually pulled it off, but I am pretty pleased with how this turned out in the end anyway, even though it might not look exactly as my vision was from the beginning. So I'm using Distress Inks, and it's Black Soot, Chipped Sapphire, and Broken China. And the Broken China is my lightest color here. And I'm working this panel over and over again until I am pleased with how it looks. You can see here I'm going over it a lot of times. And here is that die set that I talked about in the beginning. And I run it through my Bake Shot, and I use some, I think this is basil glitter, white glitter cardstock. The paper didn't have a name, but I could not describe it better than this. So, and then I use some Versamark ink and another stamp set from Trinity Stamps. I will leave links down below for that one. And that was my sentiment. I'm gonna say missing you. And now I'm gonna adhere my panel on top of a black A2 size cardstock, card panel, I'm sorry, not card panel, card base, of course. And you can see I trimmed my piece a little bit down for the purpose of fitting this with a small black frame around it. And this was a mistake that I did, and if I would do this again, I probably wouldn't have adhered my panel at this point, because I decided to go in with some white paint, and that actually splattered on my black card base. But I will fix it with a marker off camera. But I would do that before I adhere it down to this panel, of course. So some of my clouds I popped up with some foam adhesive, and some of them I just glued flat down to the card panel. And my moon is gonna rest on top of one of these clouds. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I want my placement to be on all of these small images. You can see those small stars are really pretty around this scene. And after adhering all of this and also all of the stars and everything, I went in off camera with some small silver stars, and it's a pack, an embellishment pack from Trinity, and I will of course leave a link down below for that one. But I didn't think you wanted to sit here and watch me fiddle around with all of those small hearts, so you can just see in the end picture how those sparkle. And you can see here I haven't adhered them yet, but here I have, so you can see the difference. I hope you liked this card. If you did, please give this card a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!